Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy that you showed up today to see what's inside my latest ThredUp Rescue Box. You guys, I'm a little bit addicted to mystery boxes. I just enjoy the surprise of a rescue mystery box, but they can be a little bit risky. My last ThredUp Rescue Box was fabulous. If you have not seen that video, I will link it above. Check it out. I made my money back immediately with the very first sale. So that was awesome. And fingers crossed, this one is going to be just as good. Now this one took 26 days from the date that I ordered it to arrive, and I did leave it in my garage for a couple days, and I'm ready to open it. Actually, I'm dying to open it. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I am so glad that you are here today. I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. And to my returning subscribers, hi you guys. I have missed you. I've been very, very busy. Thank you to those that have reached out to see how I'm doing. I'm doing great. I have been very busy just trying to get things organized and in order for my little Poshmark business, and this is really the best time to do it. And guys, this box came just in time. Yesterday, I listed the very last piece of inventory that I had to list in my Poshmark closet. Now, I really can go back to cleaning out my closet. In fact, I probably will. The stay-at-home order has not been lifted in the little town I live in, so I can't source as of yet, but I've got a ThredUp mystery box, a rescue box. This one is the women's mix 25 piece. This was $60. I did pay for shipping. That was $5.99. They didn't have a coupon code when I ordered this, so there's 25 pieces. That's going to be about $2.63 per piece. So, fingers crossed. Everyone, good vibes. Let's get a great box. Let me open this. And look how small it is. This box is the smallest box. I'll put the knife away. So this box is actually smaller than the last one I received. Now, this one is heavy, so I don't know. We'll see. And this one comes from Illinois. The last one that I received came from Arizona. Okay. Here it is, guys. There's the box. And it always has the paper on it. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. And it's colorful. And I like colorful. Hold on. Let me put this on the floor. Okay, on the top, we have something. Okay. This is by Chico's. This is Chico's size 0. That's kind of cute. Little bling in it. I don't know if you can see that, but just a top. It does have a smocked waist, and okay, that's cute. Next up is something in yellow, and this is a neon yellow. This is cute. This is also Chico's size 0, and look at this crochet lace in the back, and this is very, very sheer, and these boxes could have flaws, so just kind of quickly checking out to see if they have flaws, but this one looks nice. Next up we have, okay, this is textured. What are you? This is Walmart Time and True. And this is a size 2. These are cute though. This is a burgundy with kind of a pink, can you see that? Kind of a pink embroidered, almost like a, I don't know, I don't want to call it a polka dot, but okay, Walmart. And this one is Pleone. And this is an extra small tunic, a high-low tunic. It does have a tab sleeve, split neck, pop over, and this, it looks like LuLaRoe, but it is LuLaRoe. Extra, extra small LuLaRoe, but you know what? It's not soft like LuLaRoe. So, oh, but cute. Okay, so this is Minnie Mouse. Oh, I have a girlfriend that will love this. I don't know if she's extra small, but she could be because she's been working out for like 2 years and she's just shrinking away, looking great. I may send this to her. Okay, so what do you think so far? I don't know. Extra small. This is loft, and this is like a 3/4 length black tee, and it does have a lace detail in the front. Okay, extra small. What are you? Give me something bigger. Halogen. This is a Nordstrom brand, but it's also extra small. So there's a lot of extra small in this one. And this is cute though. I do like Halogen. It doesn't have a great resale value, but I do like it personally. Next up is Express, and this is a skirt. This is a size small. This does, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it does have some metallic threading in it. And, oh, okay, and a little pleat there. Kind of cute, but doesn't feel like it's the right season. And it looks like another skirt. This one is from the Limited. It is a size 2. This is perfect for the season. This is white with a yellow print in it. Very summery, sunshine looking. Okay, I like this piece, size 2. Christopher and Banks. Again, this looks like a great holiday piece. I like this. This is size medium, and it's got a bell sleeve, and the sleeves are sheer, but the body of this blouse is lined. This is size medium. Christopher and Banks. What do you think so far? Are you impressed? I'm not so far. Okay, so the next piece is, it actually has a barb through it, but I know it's not new. It's probably from Goodwill. Probably someone thrifted it and sent it. What size are you? Doesn't show the size. This is hem and thread. It is a waffle knit with sweater, and it does have some loose strings right through here, but it's kind of cute. Maybe the loose threading is intentional because it is throughout, so maybe it is. I don't know, and I don't see a size on it. Hem and thread. Can you guys see this? I'll share that with you. Hem and thread. I don't know. Tell me it's something good. Okay, next piece. Are we new at tags? New at tags from Walmart. Time and true. New at tags. Oh, super cute. Really cute. Spaghetti string, adjustable spaghetti string, blue summer. Looks like almost like a pin tuck detail in the front, and this is a size medium, 8 through 10. So that's cute, and there is a lining. It feels like this is a lined dress. Oh, did you see that hemline? Check it out. That's kind of cute. Can you see it? I don't know. Okay. The next thing we have, give me something good. Linnea by Lois Del Olia, size medium. That's a big size medium, and this is just an olive green short sleeve t-shirt. Okay, this looks like Tommy Bahama, but it's not. It's Old Navy, and I like this right off the bat. This is printed. I just had to feel to see if it was embroidered, but this is like a chambray button up, one pocket, and let me get up close so you can see the print. It does have parrots on it. So Old Navy, size medium. Okay, it seems like we're getting bigger as we get to the bottom of the box. Okay, so the next piece feels like Old Navy as well, but it's not. Okay, this one is Gap, and this is a size medium. This is the boyfriend fit. So this is another button front. I have hair in my mouth. Button front. Have a pocket, one pocket. Oh, okay. All right, next up, I like this one. Okay, this one is Gap, and it's almost a blush pink color, eyelet, sleeveless popover with a split neck V there. But look at this hemline. So pretty, very pretty, and it appears to be lined. Yes, the body is lined, so that one is really nice. The mailman is here. Okay, short break. Mailman's here delivering my husband's birthday present. 1 second. All right, so I'm back and grabbed another stack and have another extra small LuLaRoe. And this one I feel like has too much washwear to sell. and it's dirty. So I've got to put that in a clean pile. Be something good. Who are you? This is Ann Taylor, size small, and this is, I feel like I have this in my Poshmark closet. One of my girlfriends gave me a top so similar to this. Ann Taylor, size small, and it does have a little ruching in the sleeve there. Yeah, I think I have this. If not, I have something very, very similar. Ann Taylor, polyester top. That's nice. And apartment 9. So this is cute. This is Kohl's apartment 9. There's also a little metallic thread. You might not be able to see that in this knit, but this looks like it's in really good condition. It's almost sweater-like. So that may go in my sweater pile, which I'm not listing right now. And what do we have? A skirt. So this is a long black maxi skirt. So there are some panels to give it a little interest. This is Joe B by Joe Bins Bassett, size large. So that is promising. This might be the first size large piece. I think everything has been extra small, small, and medium. And this looks like it's a decent shape. Guys, we are so close to the bottom, and there is not a showstopper as of yet. Let's see. Chelsea 28. This is cute. This is a Nordstrom brand, and it's very, very wrinkled. It is a chambray smocked summer dress. That's the good thing about this. What do you want to bet? It's a small. It's extra small. So, but it's stretchy. So, okay. Am I happy about this one? I'm going to be happy about that one. I'm going to sell that one. This is D jeans, and these are a size 10 petite. They are brown, and this is what they look like. They are stretchy. They have welt pockets in the back, slash pockets in the front. They came cuffed, but that's what they look like. Let's check the crotch. Crotch looks fine. I mean, they're in good condition. Odd color though, kind of a camel brown color. Here's something very sheer. It's almost, who is this? 6 degrees? I'll show you this. 6 degrees. Size large. I don't know. Mint green, floral. Very, very sheer. Almost, I mean, I guess you could wear this with a tank, but it's almost like a nightgown. And then we have something satiny. This is not looking good, guys. Chico, size 3. I like this. This is a satiny feel, sleeveless, button front, 2 pockets. So I do like this piece because I like orange. This is such a cheerful color. So that's what that one, this is the last piece, guys. Last piece. And it looks like a t-shirt. I hope it's a great t-shirt. This is Fruit of the Loom. No. This is a size large Fruit of the Loom. Turquoise tee. Wah, wah, wah. Oh my gosh. This is the worst ThredUp box I have ever received. There was nothing spectacular in this box. I mean, there's some brands that I actually own, like The Gap and Old Navy and Ann Taylor. I own those things, The Loft. But the resale value on all of those are not good. So that's why I ordered this box. I think most people that order this box are not ordering it for their personal closets because it's a mystery so far as sizing goes, so you can't order this box in your own personal style and hope to add some things to your closet. I don't know. Am I wrong? You guys saw all the brands. There's a few in here that I'm not familiar with. Maybe there's a designer piece that I missed, but I'm pretty certain there's not. So there you have it. I mean, that's it. That's what I got. And I can truthfully say this is my least favorite ThredUp box that I have ever received. I'm hopeful that I can make my $65.99 back, but I will list everything because I really am in need of inventory right now, so we'll see how it goes. I do plan on giving you guys an update on all the ThredUp Rescue Boxes that I have purchased. You've watched the unboxings, and I've sold so much out of those boxes, so it has been very helpful. One of the things I like about rescue boxes is normally I receive brands that I can't find in my area, and everything in this box I feel like I could find right now. In fact, these are the types of things that people have been donating to me during the stay-at-home order. So yeah, it was fun to open a box. If you enjoy watching unboxings, please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment. If there's something in here I have missed and I have a gold mine sitting in this stack right here, please let me know, guys. It's always a pleasure to spend a little time with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you're subscribed. I really want to see you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings to all of you.